Hi, I am Prasham Parihar and today I will show you how to use ultrasonic sensor. So the components we need are breadboard, nano, ultrasonic sensor and some jumper wires. So first we will connect the nanos VCC and GND to the positive and the negative line of the breadboard, and we will connect the VCC and GND of ultrasonic sensor to the negative and the positive line of the breadboard. Then the trigger and the echo pin will go on D3 and D5 of the nano respectively. So the codes for it are: when Arduino begin, serial begin baud rate 9600. This means that it should communicate with the computer or laptop when the Arduino Nano begins. Then in the forever block, set distance to ultrasonic sensor pin trigger 3, echo 2, read distance in centimeters. This means that the ultrasonic sensor's trigger pin should be in digital pin 3 and echo pin should be in digital pin 2, and it should read only in centimeters. Then serial print distance is equal to no var. Serial print distance no is distance no var. Serial print centimeter var. This means that when it should only count it in centimeters. Thank you.